Hey, what's up, guys? So I took a day off yesterday because the day before I had a pretty big loss. It was like $1,200 or whatnot. So now I'm back. Kind of needed to reset myself. So a couple of trades today. I started with Cisco. Cisco kind of got down 15-minute. Looked short. There was this SMA here, so I figured, hey, I'm gonna take it short because this is a good level of resistance. Also on the 5-minute, formed a new 5-minute candlestick. 15-minute, obviously this is a new 15-minute low. So what I did was on the 1-minute here, you see it's right under this SMA. I took it short. But it actually bounced back up, so I stopped out. So it's like a 20-cent bounce here. And then I didn't play it until just now. So I saw that it bounced back, held this level, lower low. It dipped again, and bounced back up. So this is kind of like a double top. And then on the way down again, it did a bounce, came back down, and then here, that's why I took a short, I think 3,000 shares, and then on the way down, I basically scalped out and got out of it at this level. It really was holding this level, the 47.30 level. So you can see from here, this is where it's at for now. It's been holding this level pretty steadily, but I'm done and I'm out of it. And then the other trade I took was Walmart. I had a bad trade on Walmart and then I recovered. So initially, let's take a look at the 5-minute. So 5-minute, it was basically trending down. Daily level, it's up, but it's sitting on this SMA. But it was above this. Usually it tries to fill the gap, so I like to go short on the stop that gaps up. 15-minute. It's trending down. There's a rejection here. 5-minute. So this is where the issue is on the 5-minute, on the bounce back. I took it on the short side, thinking that this at this point, I didn't know it was going to be a reversal. I thought here that it was just going to be a shorts covering. But on the 1-minute, this is how it looks like. So on the 1-minute, EMAs are trending down. This is going up, the SMA, and I was thinking this is going to cross it. So I took a short here, and it bounced on me, so I stopped that really quickly. And then here, I went back in because I saw that this was going very close to breaking through. Here I took a small size. Here I took a larger size, 1,000 shares. It did break through a bit, but then it formed like a double bottom, and then it just bounced real quickly. And then I was watching it. It didn't really break this level at all. It seems to trend back down again, and now it's getting extremely close to crossing it. And remember what I said in the past about when the EMAs are trying to cross the SMAs, is they can either just break through and cross, or they'll touch it and then bounce back. So this is why I didn't want to take a short here, is because the candlesticks preceded the exponential moving averages. So this is where it would bounce back, and this is why I took it here, but I stopped out because I don't know if this is going to hit it and then bounce back, so I didn't want this to happen. But this is on the second try, and so I took this position. It did try to cross it, but it did not actually bounce back. It was just trending along this this SMA, and the SMA obviously is trending upwards, and this did not bounce. It just continued to trend and slowly made its way down. And so this is why I was confident in adding to my position. So I actually added 200 shares. Didn't really do much for my averaging up or whatever on the shorts. But it was, I felt confident in this move, and obviously I was rewarded for it, and so I made money on Walmart. On BYND, it was a very volatile stock, and I had a scared on BYND. On the daily level, gap down, 15-minute, make a new 15-minute low. I was actually watching this because on the 5-minute it did make a brief recovery, so it did recover a bit. So it bounced, it hit this level, and then it bounced back, and so this had been a white candlestick for a bit at around this level, and then it started to make a new low. And when I made a new low, that's when I did the short. So here, the stock continues to trend down, held this level, broke it, bounced back, and didn't really break through this EMA. So on the way down, I took a short, small size, I think 600 shares. But this is very volatile. So like this move here, because of the spread, when I took it, I entered. I did not know that the spread, because the spread changes quite often. It had been like 20 cents or something, and then it changed to like almost like 50 or 60 cents. So when I entered this, I was actually down 300 bucks already. And then at this level, I think I was down like 400 or 500 just by it moving up here because of the spread. But either way, it helped the EMA. So that was scared here, because when I entered it, I looked at the spread, and I was 20 cents or something like that, not that bad, and entered. Then all of a sudden, right when I hit the hotkey, the spread changed to like some humongous spread. So that freaked me out a bit, and I was very worried that this was going to bounce, and then my spread would be like, I don't know, $1 or something like that. But it did go my way. It dropped, and I covered most of my position here because I didn't know if this was going to form a double bottom and then do a bounce back to a VWAP. But it did not, so I started to cover. It held this level, and then so I exited the remaining here, and then this is it did go down a bit, and then it did this bounce back to the EMA up here. That's you know, I made my money off of BYND. Overall 652, 39 tickets and $65.60 in commission. So I'm gonna stop here. Don't want to lose money. It's kind of a tough day. There's not many good stocks with that are not low float stocks and that have a pretty good you know, ATR where it's actually worth my while to trade it. So anyway, that's my my trades for the day.